America runs on auto pros, and for 100 years, Napa has been right there with them. At Guy's Foreign and Domestic, just outside of New Orleans, both old school knowledge and new school tools have their place in the family-owned shop. Guy Valvis has written the complete 50-year story of his garage, buying a small shop, growing it to include his son Kurt, surviving Hurricane Katrina to today. All the while, Guy's repair philosophy remains the same. Just fix it and fix it right. Guy's Foreign and Domestic sits just south of Lake Pontchartrain in Metairie, Louisiana, and has been there for over 50 years. The shop's renown is built on Guy's own beginnings, driving his Volkswagen van to people's houses and fixing their vehicles.
Working out of a van, I used to go to your house, very limited how much you could do at one time, one trip. Couldn't fix all the cars that people wanted to fix, so that's when we opened the shop and we could do more cars.
The shop's stellar reputation spread throughout town, and as the shop grew, the clientele shifted, younger people with newer cars. But what didn't change was the dedication to customer service and reliable repair.
I opened some 50 years ago. Things have changed tremendously, and they're still changing. There's a fine balance there. You got to be able to understand the 60-year-old, and you got to be able to understand the 20-something-year-old. They're motivated by different things. Everyone's motivated by different things, and you just got to kind of play that and see what everybody's go button is.
Guy hired his son Kurt to be its face. Kurt also brought new knowledge to shop operations, adding technology and communication to Guy's established groundwork of reliable repairs.
Guy's a little bit more old school, I'm a little bit more new school. He keeps us grounded is what I would say, and I try to push us forward as far as doing some new technology, using digital inspections in the shop, just keeping customers more connected, modernizing the business, and that's something that I was able to help with.
The specialty at Guy's is something every vehicle needs: regular maintenance. For many people, cars are the gateway to livelihood, and regular maintenance is how families keep going.
Maintenance is a shop specialty. Keep your car on the road, maintaining it, whatever the manufacturer recommends. A maintenance schedule for every vehicle. Every 30,000 miles you do this, every 60,000 miles you do this, and just to keep them, that keeps you on the road without problems.
And of course, Guy's partnership with Napa has created numerous opportunities.
We partnered with Napa some 20 or 30 years ago, and it's the availability of parts, the timely delivery to get the guy back on the road. We pride ourselves in getting your car in and getting it out, not having it here for a very long time.
The best part about our Napa Business Development Group is if we run into something that we're bumping up our heads against the wall, we can put it in that group text message and say, hey, has anybody seen this? Has anybody run into this? And sure enough, someone out there is going to be saying, hey, look, yeah, we've seen that. This is what you need to do. Or, hey, look, there's a tool that we don't have. Does someone have it? Oh, yeah, we got to come borrow it. It's not like we're competitors. It's like we're trying to help each other and help each other grow and help each other get past problems. So in my opinion, it's just expanding your knowledge base.
Being part of the Napa Gold Auto Care program, we've got a nationwide 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty.
That nationwide warranty is very important for us because it gives people a peace of mind. If they're on a trip to Tennessee, Florida, or wherever, they can bring it somewhere else and know that that's going to be covered.
Through the years, Guy has operated on 3 plain and simple rules: fix the car correctly, stand behind the work, and make the experience easier than people expect it to be.
I think anyone, if they want somewhere to get their car fixed, or they got their refrigerator fixed, or their washer and dryer fixed, they want it fixed the first time and fixed well. If you can do that, then people will appreciate it and they'll keep coming back.
At the end of the day, they want to know how long is it going to take to get their car back and how much it's going to cost. We try to be as upfront and honest about timelines and about costs as we can, and we want to get their cars back to them as quick as possible and fix their cars for them right.